today I'm going to clean this catch basin. Maybe you're asking which catch basin? But this catch basin, which was clear just on the last thunderstorm we had. Problem with thunderstorms is that they move debris really quickly, and your catch basins and other inlets for your drain system can become clogged, all within a matter of minutes. So after each storm, you should go and check them just to make sure they're not clogged so they'll operate next time and you won't get a flood where you don't want it to. This catch basin's right here underneath this debris, and you see here, it just got covered up with some mulch, stuff that washed away from the woods because we had a really pretty bad severe storm, and just cleared it off with the shovel, and there you go, it's clear enough. Now you also want to check if you have sediment or debris building up from the bottom. You want to get that cleaned out so it doesn't fill your pipe. But this will help after every storm, especially in the summer. Just double check your systems, make sure everything's covered up or not covered up. And if you need any help in the Charlotte, North Carolina, taking care of this, just give us a call at 704-489-3444 or go on our website at drainmylawn.com.